Welcome to our channel. Today, we are exploring the 10 biggest jungles in the world. Get ready to see amazing rainforests, discover cool facts, and enjoy the beauty of nature. Let's dive in and explore these incredible jungles together. Here are the top 10 biggest jungles in the world along with their locations. 1. Amazon Rainforest, located in South America, primarily in Brazil. The Amazon rainforest is the largest jungle in the world. It spans over 5.5 million square kilometers and is home to an incredibly diverse range of flora and fauna. 2. Congo Basin, situated in Central Africa, the Congo Basin is the world's second largest jungle. It covers an area of approximately 2.1 million square kilometers and is known for its lush vegetation and rich biodiversity. 3. New Guinea Highlands, found in the island of New Guinea, which is divided between Papua New Guinea and Indonesia. This jungle covers about 2.0 million square kilometers. It's characterized by its rugged terrain and unique species. 4. Borneo Rainforest, shared by the countries of Malaysia, Indonesia, and Brunei. The Borneo Rainforest covers approximately 740,000 square kilometers. It's renowned for its incredible biodiversity, including orangutans and pygmy elephants. 5. Valdivian Temperate Rainforest, situated in Chile and Argentina. The Valdivian Temperate Rainforest spans around 248,100 square kilometers. It's one of the few temperate rainforests in the world, known for its ancient trees and unique wildlife. 6. Tongass National Forest, located in Alaska, United States. The Tongass National Forest is the largest national forest in the United States, covering around 68,000 square kilometers. It's a temperate rainforest known for its stunning landscapes and diverse wildlife. 7. Sundarbans, located in Bangladesh and India. The Sundarbans is the largest mangrove jungle in the world, covering around 10,000 square kilometers. It's famous for being the habitat of the Bengal tiger. 8. Daintree Rainforest, found in Queensland, Australia. The Daintree Rainforest covers approximately 1,200 square kilometers. It's considered one of the oldest rainforests in the world, with some of its plant species dating back to the time of Gondwana. 9. Kinabalu National Park, situated in Sabah, Malaysia. Kinabalu National Park is a UNESCO World Heritage Site that encompasses around 754 square kilometers. It's famous for Mount Kinabalu, Southeast Asia's highest peak, and its rich biodiversity. 10. Monteverde Cloud Forest Reserve, found in Costa Rica. The Monteverde Cloud Forest Reserve covers approximately 105 square kilometers. It's known for its unique ecosystem, which includes cloud forests, diverse wildlife, and numerous endemic species. These jungles represent some of the most expansive and biodiverse ecosystems on the planet. They are vital for maintaining global ecological balance, providing habitat for countless species of plants and animals, and offering invaluable ecosystem services such as carbon sequestration and climate regulation. Preserving and protecting these jungles is essential for the well-being of both local communities and the planet as a whole. I hope guys you like this video. Kindly subscribe our channel for more amazing videos. Thank you very much for your precious time. Take care.